Here are 7 nuts that are rich in magnesium, along with tips on how to consume them for best results. 1. Almonds magnesium content, approximately 80 mg per 28 grams or 1 oz. Best way to consume. Eat raw or dry roasted for maximum nutrients. Add to oatmeal or Greek yogurt for a magnesium-packed breakfast. Soak overnight to enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. 2. Cashews. Magnesium content, approximately 74 mg per 28 grams. Best way to consume. Enjoy unsalted, roasted cashews as a snack. Blend into sauces or vegan cheese spreads. Use in energy balls with dates and cocoa. 3. Brazil nuts magnesium content, approximately 107 mg per 28 grams, 6 nuts. Best way to consume. Eat 1 to 2 nuts per day. They are also high in selenium, so moderation is key. Add chopped to salads or granola. Combine with dark chocolate for a powerful mineral boost. Pine nuts magnesium content, approximately 71 mg per 28 grams. Best way to consume. Toast lightly and sprinkle on pasta or salads. Blend into pesto for a flavorful magnesium-rich sauce. Use in baked goods like muffins or bread. 5. Peanuts, technically legumes, but often grouped with nuts. Magnesium content, approximately 50 mg per 28 grams. Best way to consume. Eat dry roasted or as natural peanut butter. Spread on whole grain toast or pair with banana. Use in smoothies or stir fries. 6. Hazelnuts magnesium content, approximately 46 mg per 28 grams. Best way to consume. Enjoy raw or roasted as a snack. Mix with dark chocolate or grind into nut butter. Add to baked goods or sprinkle on oatmeal. 7. Walnuts magnesium content, approximately 45 mg per 28 grams. Best way to consume. Eat raw or lightly toasted. Mix into salads, yogurt, or trail mix. Blend into smoothies for a creamy texture. Tips for best results. Pair with vitamin B6 and vitamin as they enhance magnesium absorption. Avoid excessive roasting or salting, which can reduce nutrient value, while too much salt can result in other health complications, such as high blood pressure. Watch portion sizes. Nuts are calorie dense. Stick to 28 grams or 1 oz day if you are watching calories. Soak or sprout the nuts, such as almonds as this, helps remove phytic acid, which can block mineral absorption. If you would like any ideas of how to incorporate these nuts in your diet, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.